We already discussed the human skeletal system. Yeah, here the human skeleton. So skeleton consists of the 206 bones in adult human being. It is different from the newborn baby that contain the more than 300. All right. Yeah, the skeletal system it consists of different parts like a skull, rib cage, backbone or spine, sternum, limbs. Okay, these are all the parts of the skeletal system. So individually we discuss the subparts, so which are the present in that and get dealt on. And we already discussed about the functions of skeleton, a skeletal system, right? Today we are going to discuss about the joints. Now, dear students, joints. So we have the majorly two types of joints. First of all, what is a joint? A joint is a point where two or more bones meet. So where the two or more bones meet. So that is a joint. So the combination of bones. So it is one bone. It is another bone. See this? The combination of the two bones joined together. So that is we call as a joint. Bones are held at the joints together by a strong tissue called the ligament. So the connection between the bones, two connected bones. So with the help of these are connected with the ligament, right? Our skeleton has many joints, so except the skull. So skull doesn't contain any joints. Okay, the connection part only in the lower jaw. Okay, only lower jaw. Understand? So remaining portion doesn't contain the any joints, right? Yeah, movement is possible in all the joints. So remaining mostly the movement will be possible because of the joints. In the skull, the bones are the interlocked. The skull and the bones are the interlocked, making the joints are the immovable. So generally we have the movable joints are the immovable joints. Movable joints are the we have all over body parts we have the movable joints. Immovable joints that means it contain the skull part. So these completely immovable joints, right? So let us discuss the immovable joints. The types of immovable joints. Okay, types of movable joints. First of all, we now learn about the movable joints. Later, immovable. Simply immovable means it will not move. So these are present in the our skull, right? Yeah. The types of movable joints. The movable joints are characterized by fluid filled cavity. So they are the fluid filled cavity. They are the different types. So what they are? So ball and socket joint, hinge joint, cuboid joint, gliding joint, right? So let's discuss these are all. Ball and socket joint. The ball and socket joint in such a joint, okay, provide ball-like structure. See this? It is ball-like structure. So ball-like end of one bone. So fit into the cup-like socket. So this is a cup-like socket. This is a ball-like structure. Cup-like socket of the other bone, right? So it allows the maximum movement. Okay. So shorter and the hip joints are the examples of the shoulder and the hip joints are the example for this type of ball and socket joint. Yeah, here we have the shoulder. and you already seen the hip. So this portion of hip. So the ball and socket joint will be present, right? Next one is hinge joint. Hinge joint. The joint like a hinge in the door. So once imagine the opening and the closing of door. Opening and closing of door is a single direction, right? So it allows only back and the fourth movement, back and forth movement. So up to that. So elbow, knee, fingers, toe. So these are the examples for the hinge joint. So only one direction. See this in this portion, one direction. This side and backward side. That's it. Right? This is about the hinge joint. Next, pivot joint. So pivot joint is found between the skull. So this is found between the skull and the first two vertebrae. Vertebral portion, our spinal cord, right? So vertebrae of the spine. It helps to us move our head sideways. So imagine our head will be moved all the directions, right? Upwards and downwards. Okay, rotates, whatever. So simply it will be rotate all the directions, up to down, upward, downward directions and rotations, whatever. So this is about the pivot joint. Understand? Right. Next, gliding joint. So these gliding joint is found in the bones of wrist and ankle. Wrist present in hand part, ankle in the leg part. So it allows these bones to slide against which other the gliding movement. So this side, so all the sides. So this side and here, this side and this side. No, our wrist portion and the ankle portions will be move. So any of the direction. So these kind of directions, right? So this side, here and here. This kind of movement shows the gliding joint, right? Yeah. See here, the skeleton is so light that it makes up only about the 14% of our body, the total weight. See, 14% of weight. Our skeleton is a light part, lightweight. So just a 14% weight in our all our body. So out of the 100% of our body weight, the skeletal system is only 14%. However, it is a 5 times is a strong as a steel, but it is a 5 times as strongest as a steel. It's just like a steel-like structure. The kind of strength it will be gives us. We have more than 230 mobile, means a flexible. Okay, 230 mobile joints are present. So these are the flexible joints and semi-flexible joints. Semi-flexible means it will be a little amount. It will not completely mobile. A semi-flexible joints are in our body. Our ribs. When you are going to inhale, taking of air into the lungs, our chest cavity will be increased. In such condition, our ribs will be going to move. So little amount. That is a semi-flexible joint. Understand? So totally 230 mobile and semi-flexible joints in our body. So remaining all are the immobile. So those are present in our skull portion. Right? Yeah, for your kind understanding. So once observe this video, so for the better understanding. So joints. See, I'll explain to you. So this is a joint portion. So individually, we already observe so different types of joints So which are we have? See, in our shoulder portion, yeah. Let us observe. So the joints, so different types of joints, ball and socket joints, hinge joint, pivot joint, and the glazing joints. So where they are located, how they are moved from one place to the other. So generally we have the two types of joints. So fixed joints and the movable joints. So fixed are the immobile. Yeah, fixed joints are the, see, these are located in our skull portion. So let us continue that. Immobile joints, right? Immobile joints. These immobile joints. So just now we discussed. So joystick. So joystick means a, so ball and socket joint. See this, it is a ball-like structure, and the another bone is a cup-shaped structure. So ball and socket joint. So how we are going to show the movement in the all the ways of direction? How we are going to show the directions? So maximize the movement. So these are present in our shoulder as well as hip. And next one is a door. So once imagine the door, so unidirectional, right? So this is a hinge joint. Hinge joint present in our knees and elbow, knees and elbow, fingers, toes. So this kind of movement. And next one is a pivot joint. Pivot joint. See this? Pivot joint. So these are between the skull and the first two vertebrae of the spinal cord. So how our head portion will be moved in part of neck. So it is present in the pivot joint. We are going to show the all the kind of directions of movement, right? And next one is a gliding joint. So any of these directions. So that is found in these bones present in the wrist and the ankle. It is understand? So next, these kind of gliding joints are present in these our spinal cord also, like a wrist portions, okay, and ankle also, right? And next, through. So our stability. See the types of joints, fixed and the mobile. The mobile joints are the ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, and the gliding joint. So these are the mobile. So fixed joints are present in our skull portion. So these are located in our skull part. So remaining all of the mobile joints. Yeah. How bones are the joint. So imagine this kind of any kind of glue present in here for the attachment of the bones. No. So they have a ligament is the type of connection. It is a fibrous kind of material. It is attached to the bones. So in the part of joint. So that is why our bones will be joined together. And how much kind of stability it will be give and the balancing. So totally based on the bones. So with the help of the ligament. Understand? Right. This is about the a small video representation. Yeah, and next part is come to know that complete these given tasks in your textbook, right? Yeah, observe carefully. So next class we are going to discuss about the muscular system, right? So up to now, read well, observe the video again, right? Thank you, dear students.